Good morning to one and all, ma. Good morning to all. Okay, ma. So in today's class, we are going to see the problems on DIT FFT algorithm. Okay, very important topic. Definitely, you will get these problems in main examination as well as sessional examination. So all of you be attentive to the class. Very simple problems. Very simple and very easy if you know the procedure. So I am requesting to all of you kindly listen the class. Okay, all of you please listen the class. Very simple and very easy problems. DIT and DFFT, DIF. If you know these two concepts, okay. So first we will see the. Again, I am repeating the what are the steps we have to follow to find out the DIT FFT algorithm. So the following steps are, the first step is you have to find the length of the sequence. Okay, so the length of the sequence is nothing but capital N. Okay, ma. So I shared the screen. All of you can able to see my screen, right? So the following steps for DIT FFT. Steps for DIT FFT algorithm. DIT FFT algorithm. Okay. So first step is we know the length of the sequence capital N. N is nothing but length of the sequence. Length of sequence. Okay, capital N. So N should be represented 2 power capital M. M is integer. M is integer. Okay, N should be represented N equal to 2 power M. M is integer. Then we are calling it as a radix 2. Radix 2 DIT FFT algorithm. Radix 2 DIT FFT algorithm. Okay, that is the first step. And second step, the input sequence should be passed in bit reversal order. Should be passed in bit reversal order. Okay, bit reversal order. All of you know about the bit reversal order. This is the second point. And third point is the number of stages. Number of stages in DIT FFT. In DIT FFT is 2. DIT FFT is logarithm base 2. M of base 2. Okay, N of base 2. Number of stages is logarithm N of base 2. Okay, so each stage consists of the N by 2 butterflies. Okay, N by 2 butterflies. Okay, ma. So these are the first basic steps now. So we will see the problem. So according to the problem, we will come by step. So first problem is find DFT of a sequence. Find DFT of a sequence x of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1 using DIT FFT method. Using DIT FFT method. Okay, so this is the problem statement, and we have to find the first we know n. So what is the value of n here? N is the length of the sequence. So n is equal to, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So n value here is 8. Length of the sequence here is 8. Okay. So is it clear? Now once again I am repeating, all of you kindly listen the class and be interactive. Be interactive with me. Okay. This problem is very important problem. Definitely you will get good marks. N equal to 8. Now this n should be represented in terms of 2 power m. Okay, so what is the value of m? 8 is equal to 2, 3. So we have m is equal to 3. Okay, we have m equal to 3. Okay, so we have m equal to 3. Now after finding m equal to 3, what is the next step? The input sequence should be passed in the bit reversal order. So, you know, bit reversal order. How we are representing bit reversal order? So, all of you remember this bit reversal order. Normal order is like here. So we have normal order, this is order, and bit reversal order. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How we can represent using binary? 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 represent 4, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Now bit reversal order. That means all bits are shifted to whatever the bit lying on the right hand side will move to the left hand side. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Now find the corresponding decimal value. The first value is 0, first value here is 0, and next value is 1, 0, 0, 4, and next value is 2, next value is 6, 1, 5, okay, 1, 5, 3, 7. So this is the order you have to follow. Now, if you see here, so we have x of 0, 1, x of 1, 2, the elements. I am writing the elements. X of 2, 3, and x of 3, 4. And x of 4, 4, x of 5, 3, and x of 6, the value is 2, and x of 7, the value is 1. Okay, but we have to pass the values using bit reversal. That means first value will be x of 0, 0, and second value will be x of 4. So what is the value of x of 4? 4. And next value will be x of 2. So what is the value of x of 2? 3. And next value will be x of 6. What is the value of x of 6? 2. And further next value will be x of 1. X of 1 value is nothing but 2. And next one is x of 5. X of 5 value is 3. And next one is x of 3. X of 3 value is here 4. And next one is x of 7. X of 7 value is here 1. So this is the order you have to follow to pass the inputs to the butterfly. Okay, ma? Any doubts?
Sir, ఒకసారి అది చెప్పరా సార్ మళ్ళీ బిట్ రివర్సల్ ఆర్డర్ లో ఎలా మార్చారు x of 4 2 ఈ ఆర్డర్ బ్లూ కలర్ తో రాసింది.
Okay, ma. You see here, this is the order we have to follow, ma. So you have to follow chairman. We have to follow this order while passing the elements. Okay, this 0, 4, 2, 6, 1, 5, 3, 7 represents the position of the sequence. So first is x of 0. X of 0. What is the element of x of 0 in the given sequence? Sorry, x of 0 in the given sequence 1, ma. I have written 0. Sorry, it's 1. X of 0 value is 1. Next sequence is x of 4. So what is the value given x of 4? Value is 4. Next one is x of 2. So what is the value of x of 2? Here x of 2 value is 3. And next element is x of 6. X of 6 here is 2. X of 6 here is 2. Next element is x of 1. So x of 1. X of 1 element is 2. So x of 1 element is 2. X of 5, x of 3, and x of 7. So this is the order you have to follow in the. This is the order we have to follow to pass the inputs to the butterflies. Okay. So one more step also over. Next, we have to find out the fiddle factor. Okay, corresponding fiddle factor will be appear here, right? So now next point is fiddle factor. Fiddle factor. So we know the fiddle factor can be represented as W suffix n, okay, which is nothing but e power minus j 2 pi by n. E power minus j 2 pi by n. So this is the fiddle factor. Formula of fiddle factor, right? So all of you know about this formula. E power minus j 2 pi by n can be represented as omega w n. Now here we have capital N equal to 8. Capital N equal to 8. That means we require w of n by 2 values. We require w of n by 2 values. Okay. W of n by 2 of nk. Okay. So these are the values are required now. For example, if you see here, capital N equal to 8. First step, what we are doing? N is segmented into 4 and 4 blocks. Again, 4 is segmented into 2 blocks. Here we are segmented 2 and 2 blocks. That means you see, N can be divided into 2 equal parts. That means n by 2 and n by 2. So the fiddle factor or weighting factor of e power minus j 2 pi by n by 2 will be having influence to design the butterflies. Okay, so always remember that if n equal to 8, then we require the values of w n by 2. Okay, we require the values until w n by 2. That means, so what are the values are required now? W80, W81, W82 and W suffix 83. So these are the weighting factor values required, okay, to proceed further with this problem. We know Wn equal to e power minus j 2 pi n. So what is the value of W80? W80, that means e power minus j 2 pi 0 divided by 8. Okay, here we have small n. Okay, now this value e power minus j 0. So value will be 1. W80 value will be 1. Okay, ma. This is clear. If you are having any confusion with this one, just by heart these values. Just by heart these 4 values. W80 is equal to 1. How we arrive? If substitute n equal to 0, small n equal to 0, we will have this value. Next one, W81. So what is the meaning of W81? E power minus j 2 pi by capital N and whole power small n. So what is capital N here? E power minus j 2 pi by 8 and whole power 1. Okay, and whole power 1. Whole power 1. Now you find the value e power minus j pi by 4. So which is nothing but cos pi by 4 minus j sin pi by 4. So what is the value? Cos pi by 4 value?
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. So 0.707 minus j 0.707. Okay, this gives the W81. Like this, you found the next value, W82. So how we can write W82? Similar way, e power minus j 2 pi n whole power small n. So which indicate e power minus j 2 pi by 8 whole square. So which are e power minus j pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2. We know cos pi by 2 is 0, j sin pi by 2 is 1. So minus j. Okay, ma. I hope everybody is following with me. And next one, W83. Okay, W83 similarly you can represent e power minus j 2 pi by capital N whole power n. So which is the part e power minus j 2 pi by capital N is 8 and small n is 3. And small n is 3. Okay, so small n is 3. So which will give the e power minus j 2 4s are 8, 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. So we will have the same value, 3 pi by 4. Cos 3 pi by 4 minus j sin 3 pi by 4. Okay, so the value of cos 3 pi by 4 is nothing but
minus 1 by root 2.
Minus 1 by root 2. So minus 0.707 minus of j 0.707. So these are the answers. So now we have these weighting values. So just I am writing once again here. Okay, Twiddle factor values W80 is equal to 1 and W81 is equal to 0.707 minus J 0.707 and W82 equal to minus J and W83 is equal to minus 0.707 minus J 0.707. Okay, now we have these values. Is it clear, ma'am? Till now we found the values of Twiddle factor and we know capital M. Okay, now we see the length of the sequence is 8. So we should draw the 8 straight lines. Length of the sequence is 8. So draw the 8 straight lines. 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So length of sequence is 8. So we are drawing here 8 lines. Okay, ma'am. Now you see here the input should be passed in the bit reversal order. That already we have derived here. Okay, we obtain the bit reversal order values. Okay, bit reversal order. Now you just pass these elements. Okay, ma'am. We are passing these elements 1, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1 in this order. 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, so I am passing those elements 1, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, ma'am. If you can doubts in between, you can interrupt me and you can ask the doubts. 2, 3, 4, 1. Now we have passed these elements, right? So what happened here? I don't hear, right? Somewhere. No. Okay. So what is happening here? 8 elements is divided into 2 4 blocks. Okay. Again 2 4 blocks divided into 2 2 blocks. Okay. So 2 2 blocks will have the output like this. Okay, ma'am. So this is the procedure. Now we are coming into the reverse order. DIT will follow the reverse order. First 8 points going to be divided into 4 2 blocks. 4 2 blocks. So each block will have 2 inputs. Each block will have the 2 inputs. Okay, DIT will follow the reverse order. 8 points will be divided into 4 blocks. Each blocks will have 2 points. Okay, among these 2 points, one will be an even, another will be an odd. One will be even, another will be odd. Even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. Why we are representing odd?
Sir, ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ చెప్పరా?
చెప్తాను. My normal order, so we have n equal to 8. We have here n equal to 8. Okay, so these 8 points can be divided into 2 4 blocks. What's my pen? These 8 points divided into 2 4 blocks here. Okay, we are dividing into 2 4 blocks. Otherwise, I will do one thing. Once again, I am writing here. All of you listen this one. If you know this concept, you know the problem solution. N equal to 8. Okay, this 8 divided into 2 4 blocks. Each block will have 4 points. Okay, each block will have 4 points, which will come from the given sequence 8. Now each 4 block will be divided into 2 2 blocks. Each 4 block will be divided into 2 2 blocks. So each block here will have 2 points, and the output of these 2 blocks will be acting as the output of these 2 blocks will be give the response of DFT. This is the normal procedure. In DFT, what we are doing is, instead of dividing into the 4, we are coming from the reverse order. That means 2 because we are using radix 2. So 8 points. 8 points. We are dividing into four blocks. We are dividing into 4 blocks. So each block will have the 2 elements. Each block will have the 2 elements. Okay. So I am drawing the elements also. Each block will have the 2 elements. Okay, ma. We have seen yesterday class. X of n series is segmented into 2. One is even of x of n, another one is odd part of the x naught of n. Okay, x of n series segmented to 2 blocks. One is even, another one is odd. So here 2 ఉన్నాయి. So 2 ఉంటే ఏమవుతుందా? One even అవుతుంది, another one odd signal అవుతుంది. One even, odd, even, odd, even, odd. With respect to only these point of blocks. Okay, don't think about the 8 inputs. 8 inputs over. 8 inputs మనం ఏం చేసాము? 4 blocks ని డివైడ్ చేసి each block 2 inputs పాస్ చేసాం ఈ విధంగా. ఓకే, we are passing like this. సో ఇప్పుడు ఈ 2 లో మనకి ఏమవుతుంది? 1 ఈవెన్ ఉంటుంది, 1 ఆడ్ ఉంటుంది. ఈవెన్ ఆడ్, ఈవెన్ ఆడ్, ఈవెన్ ఆడ్. లైక్ దిస్ we are writing. Now why we are segregating into odd? So the weighting factor should be multiplied here. Always remember that weighting factor signal should be multiplied the odd sequence. So W0. Here also W0. Here we are multiplying W0. Here we are multiplying W0. So that we will do now. Okay. Okay. So we segregated into 8 lines. Now each block. So this is the one block. So just I'm writing. I'm representing with the help of color. One block. One block. One block. And we have the final block. Okay, so we are dividing into the 4 blocks. Okay, ma. Now you draw the butterfly here. Now you draw the butterfly diagram for this one. So how will you draw the butterfly? Simple, X shape. So we are having one X shape like this. Okay, so we have the X shape like this. Is it clear, ma? So first we are dividing into the 4 blocks. Each block will have 2 points. After that we are drawing the butterfly diagram like this. Now which one is odd? Second element is odd. So odd element should be multiplied with W8 of 0. Here why we are using 8? Sequence n is equal to 0. So odd element should be multiplied with W8 of 0. Okay. We know the values. Just I am passing the same values here. 1, 1, 4, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, and we know butterfly, right? You know the butterfly structure. So once again, I am drawing the butterfly structure here. Okay, we know the butterfly structure. This is the butterfly structure. We have A, B, and multiplying with the, I don't know, that color is not indicating. Multiplying with the W, for example, N. Now, what is the value of here? The value of here is A plus Wn into B. So that means that here we have positive 1. Here we have A minus Wn into B. So here we have the minus 1. Minus 1 will be acting as an weighting input. We see here. So the A will come here and this B multiply with the Wn. That means Friedel factor along with the minus 1 and it will give the result. So we have to follow the same procedure here also. We are following the same procedure. So here we have the minus 1 and we have a plus 1. So plus 1 and minus 1. Plus 1, minus 1. Plus 1 and minus 1. Okay, ma. Is it clear now? Until this one is clear. Now, according to the butterfly, you found the value. You see, 1. I want this point. 1 into 4. We know W80 is equal to 1. We know this value, W80 value. All the values will be equal to the 1. W80 is equal to 1. Now, 1 into 1, 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 4 into 1. 4 into 1. 4 into 1, which gives the 5. Which gives us value is 5. Next one. This is stage 1. So we are calling it as stage 1. I am doing the calculation for stage 1. Okay. And next one is, you see, now we want this value. This value means 1 will come and appear here. Okay, 1 minus, why we are going to minus? 4 into 1, 4, minus 1. So 1 minus 4 minus 3. Okay, is it clear? Like this, go for this next block. Next
Sir,
block.
మళ్ళీ చెప్పరా సార్?
చెప్తాను. 3, you see here, similar procedure only. 3 into 1, 3 into 1, okay, 3 multiply with 1, and here we have 2 into 1, okay, 2 into 1, and will come and appear here. 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1, so which will be 5. Okay, ma, that's the positive. And odd sequence you come, you see here, 3 will come, 3 will pass here, and 3 will pass here, and we have the 3, we have here 3, so 3 minus, and next one is 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2, 1 minus 1, so 2 into minus 1 minus 2, so 3 minus 2, 1, 3 minus 2, we have the 1. And like that we will see the here. Okay, once I will repeat once again, don't worry. And here you see 2 into 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 into 1 plus, from here 3 multiply with 1, so 2 plus 1, 2 plus 3, 5. Okay, and next one you see here, now we want this value, 2 into 2, nothing is there, so we have only 2 will come and pass here, and 3 into 1, 3, again 3 multiply with minus 1, minus 3, so we'll have here minus 1, we'll have here minus 1. Like this you see here, 4 into 1, 4 into 1, and again here we have 1 into 1, 1, so plus 1 into 1, so 5. Here you see, now 4 will come here directly, 4 is not having any multiplication factor, 4, you see here, 1 into 1, 1, again 1 into minus 1, minus 1, so we have 3. So stage 2 elements is now, stage 2 elements is, so I am writing the elements here, 5, minus 3, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5, 3. So these are the stage 2 elements. That means input to the stage 2. Okay, input to the stage 2. Okay, once again I am repeating the same. Please listen here. Okay, so we frame here 4 blocks. So block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4. Now we need to find the output values. Okay, how we will find output values? So output values, you see here, 1 into 1, this 1 multiply with the 1 because we have multiplication factor. 1 into 1 plus, you see here, odd sequence. Odd sequence is not having any multiplication factor. Minus 1 will appear only here. So 4 into 1. So 4 into 1 will come and appear here. So we have here 4 into 1 plus 1 into 1. So we have 5. Okay, like that odd sequence. 1 directly will come and pass here, minus 4 multiply with 1, again multiply with minus 1, so we have the minus 3, so 5 minus 3. Okay, that is with respect to first block. Okay, same procedure as will be carried out for the second block. This is second block.
Sir, ఒకసారి ఆడ్ మళ్ళీ చెప్పండి సార్.
Emma?
ఆడ్ మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి చెప్పండి సార్.
Odd sequence you see here, ma. 1 will come and directly come into the picture, 1. Okay, you just follow the red color. I will change the color. So green. Okay, you see green color, 1 come and approach here. Okay, so we have 1, and next term you see here 4 multiply with 1. What is 1 here? Middle factor. 4 into 1, 4 ones are 4. Again it's multiplying with minus 1. So 4 multiplied with minus 1 will give the minus 4. So 1 minus 4 gives the minus 3. Okay, 1 minus 4 gives the minus 3. Similar procedure will be carried for the second block. You see here, the element 3 multiply with 1. So 3 ones are 3. I am writing here 3 ones are 3 plus, you see here, odd sequence in second block, 2 multiply with 1. So we have here 2 ones are 2. So 3 plus 2, 5. And odd sequence in second block, 3 will come directly sit here because it doesn't have any multiplication factor. So 3, you see, odd sequence element, 2 multiply with weighting factor 1. So 2 ones are 2. Again multiply with the factor -1. So 2 into -1 will give the -2. So 3 minus 2 we have 1. Okay. Similar procedure will be followed for the next block. You see, here also I am 2 multiply with 1. 2 multiply with 1. 2 ones are 2. Again 3 multiply with weighting factor, middle factor, 3 ones are 3. That will come and sit here. So 2 plus 3 we have 5. And next odd sequence. So 2 will come and directly sit here. Okay. So the odd sequence 3 multiply with 1 and further multiply with -1. So we have 2 minus 3 minus 1. And next one 4. 4 multiply with 1.
Last in third line lo top result 1 and రాశారు సార్ -1 అయితే అక్కడ సార్ రిజల్ట్ తర్వాత రాశారు సార్ అదే లైన్ లో తర్వాత సార్ కొంచెం అదే లైన్ లో రైట్ సైడ్ సార్ దాని పక్కన సార్
ఇదా ఓకే రిజల్ట్ ఓకే సారీ థాంక్యూ రిజల్ట్ థాంక్యూ and you see fourth block 4 into 1 plus 1 into 1, so 5. And the odd sequence of the fourth block will be, you see 4 directly will come and sit here, minus element multiply with the middle factor 1 into 1, again multiply with -1. So 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, so like this we have to find the response of the stage 1. Okay, this is the response of the stage 1. So just I am drawing some intermediate line. Okay, no need to draw this line. This is the belongs to stage 1. Okay, ma. Now what will happen now? So what is the procedure? Procedure we have seen right here somewhere. 8. See, first we divided number of 8 elements into the 4. 2 elements. 4 blocks, each block having the 2 elements. Now you have to divide it, you have to frame 2 blocks. Each block will have the 4 elements. Okay, so each block will have 4 elements and 10 inputs. So how many inputs will be there? Each block ki 4 elements untai. Okay ma. So 4 elements I am drawing here. Please be interact with me. Among 4 elements, how many even? Innuntai ma even?
2 events.
2 events. So this is a even and this is even. 2 odd. Okay, even, odd. Okay, ma. 2 even, 2 odd signal. And I told you odd signal should be multiplied with the fiddle factor. Okay, odd signal should be multiplied with fiddle factor. So first signal is multiplying with W8 of 0 and second signal will multiply with W8 of 2. W8 of 2. Okay, ma, it's clear. First signal multiplying W8 of 0 and second signal multiplying W8 of 2. Why we are not considering W8 of 1, that I will tell you later. Okay, don't think about that one. 0 and 2. Okay, our signal should be multiplied with W8 of 0 and W8 of 2. You know the values. W8 of 0, you know the values. You found it's 1. W8 of 2, you know the values. W8 of 2 is minus j. So you can multiply those values. Now you see here. Now two blocks you have to frame, right? Okay, 2 blocks. Each block will consist of the 4 elements. So first element I am drawing like this. Start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should end on 4th line. Okay, even element. And next start from here and it should end the 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Okay, is it clear, man? 1, 2, 3, 4. And next one, you see this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, it will come and approach here. Here, sorry, I done wrongly. Start from here. Otherwise, I will do one thing. So we'll take some other color. So this is the one block, just to represent, and this is the another block. So no need to get confusion here. This is the another block. Okay. Later I will remove this one. Now you see, this will start from here and end here. Okay. But again I'm drawing wrongly. This start from here and end here, and this will start from here and end here. Okay. And this will come and start here and end here, and this will come and start here and end here. Okay, man. So we have here. So now I'm removing these things. Don't know how to remove. Okay. How we can highlight this thing? White color. White color is not available. Okay. Lightly. No problem. Yes, sir. Just I am removing these points, so confusion won't be there. So there won't be any confusion. If you have this line, means you'll feel. Okay. Now in this code, 2 lines are even and 2 lines are odd. So these lines should be multiplied with W8 of 0 and W8 of 2. Twiddle factor. It should multiply with odd signals, should be multiplied with twiddle factor. And here also we have last 2 lines are twiddle factor lines, right? So draw these lines. You just draw the lines. We just draw the lines like this. Okay. This will come and approach here. So here we have the W8 of 0, and here we have W8 of 2. W8 of 2, and each multiply with -1. And each signal should multiply with -1. Okay, odd signals should multiply with -1. Odd signals should multiply with -1. Okay. Now we know this value is 1 and this value is -j. This value is 1 and this value is -j. This is -j and here value is 1. This value is 1. Now you see, we want to obtain the output of this point. So this point we want. So how we are going to proceed? It is multiply with 1. The signals multiply with 1. So first point is 5 multiply with 1. So 5 into 1 plus, and again 5. You see, 5 is multiplying with corresponding weighting factor. 5 into W8 of 0. So again 5 into 1. So we have here answer is 10. Okay, we have answer is 10. Is it clear? My first point. So 5 multiply with 1 and the joining point from another element 5. So 5 multiply with W8 of 0 twiddle factor. 5 into 1. So we have 10. And what about the next element? You see here, next element. So next element is 5 multiply with -3 multiply with 1. So we have 1. And this element, this 1 multiply with W8 of 2. W8 of 2 is nothing but -j. So 1 into -j, we have -j. So -j. So the answer is -3 -j. Answer we have -3 -j. Okay. And next one, we want this element. So how we will arrive this element? Again, 5 multiply with 1 multiply with -1. So we have -5, and this 5 will come and directly sit here. This 5 will come and directly sit here. So we have 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So we have the element is 0. Okay, ma, we have here element is 0, and this one we want. So how will I write this one? Again 1 into minus j again into minus 1. So we have here j, we have here j. So what is the value here? From this point minus 3 will come and sit here. So minus 3 plus j. So answer is minus 3 plus j. Okay, so similar procedure we are following here to find the values. First value here. So 5, here we have the multiplication 1, 1. So 5 into 1, 5 into 1, 5 into 1, and you see this point go and 5 into W8 of 0 plus 5 into 1. So we have here 10. And next value, this value. You see this value, minus 1 into 1, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, and where it is going to be in? The element 3. So 3 into multiply with W8 of 2. 3 multiply with W8 of 2 will use the minus 3j. Okay, this gives the minus 3j. So minus 3j, this value, minus 1 minus 3j. So we have minus 1 minus 3j. And similar here, 5 come and directly sit here. So 5 and 5 multiply with middle factor W8 of 0 and multiply with minus 1. So 5 minus 1, 0. And this value, you see minus 1 come and directly sit here, minus 1. 3 multiply with W8 of 2. That means 3 into minus j will use the minus 3j. Again multiply with minus 1. So we'll have here 3 minus 3j multiply with minus 1 will use the plus 3j. So minus 1 plus 3j. So we'll have.
Sir, my pine kuda minus 1 plus 3j ne vachindi sir.
Ikkada my value na?
No sir, ante sir, minus 1.
Correct madi. Minus వచ్చేది ఓన్లీ ఆర్ సీక్వెన్సెస్ కి. ఆర్ సీక్వెన్సెస్ కి మాత్రం మైనస్ వస్తుందమ్మా. మీరు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతున్నారు మ్యామ్.
ఓకే సార్.
ఇంకో ప్రాబ్లం లో మీకు తెలుస్తుంది. ఫస్ట్ టాపిక్ అర్థం చేసుకోండి. minus 1 plus 3j. Okay, so we have the elements of the second stage also. Now final stage will give the answer. So we have the elements of second stage. So these are the elements of the second stage. Okay ma, the important point in second stage is we have 4 blocks. This is the block 1 and this is the block 2. Okay, so block 1 lo untai 4 inputs untai. Among 4 lo 2 even 2 odd untai. Okay, among 4 lo 2 even no 2 odd. So even signal వచ్చేసి odd signal కి కనెక్ట్ అవ్వాలి. Okay, otherwise if you have still confusion, I will draw here. So 4 ఉంటాయి మా, 4 signals each 4 block కి. ఇది 4 block కి 4 elements. So even xc of 1 అనుకోండి, xc of 2, odd ని xo of 1, xo of 2 అనుకోండి. ఓకే, ఈవెన్ సిగ్నల్ ఆర్ సిగ్నల్. సో ఈవెన్ అనేది ఆర్ కి కనెక్ట్ అవ్వాలి. ఈవెన్ సిగ్నల్ విల్ బి కనెక్టెడ్ టు ది ఫస్ట్ ఆర్ సిగ్నల్. అగైన్ ఈవెన్ సిగ్నల్ కనెక్టెడ్ టు ది ఫస్ట్ సెకండ్ ఆర్ సిగ్నల్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఆర్ సిగ్నల్ విల్ బి కనెక్టెడ్ టు ది ఫస్ట్ ఈవెన్ సిగ్నల్ అండ్ సెకండ్ ఆర్ సిగ్నల్ విల్ బి కనెక్టెడ్ టు ది సెకండ్ ఈవెన్ సిగ్నల్. ఆ విధంగా కనెక్ట్ చేసామా ఇక్కడ చూడండి. మీరు చూసారంటే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. ఇది ఫస్ట్ ఈవెన్. ఫస్ట్ ఫోర్ బ్లాక్ లో ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ కి ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్, సెకండ్ ఈవెంట్ కి సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్, సెకండ్ ఈవెంట్ కి సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్, సెకండ్ ఈవెంట్ కి సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్. అదే విధంగా చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ కి ఫస్ట్ ఈవెంట్ కనెక్ట్ చేసాం, సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ కి సెకండ్ ఈవెంట్ కనెక్ట్ చేసాం. ఓకే, సో రిమెంబర్ దీస్ థింగ్స్ మా. అదే విధంగా మనకి ఏమొచ్చేప్పుడు మనకు థర్డ్ స్టేజ్, వీ హ్యావ్ ది థర్డ్ స్టేజ్. సో ఇక్కడికి స్టేజ్ అయిపోయింది. వీ హ్యావ్ ది థర్డ్ స్టేజ్. థర్డ్ స్టేజ్ ఏం చేయాలి మనం? థర్డ్ స్టేజ్ ఏం చేసాం మనం? ఇక్కడ చూడండి, థర్డ్ స్టేజ్ 4 కంబైన్ చేసి సింగిల్ 8 రావాలి. సో సింగిల్ 8 ఎలిమెంట్స్ రావాలి. ఇది థర్డ్ స్టేజ్. ఓకే, థర్డ్ స్టేజ్ ఇది సింగిల్ 8 ఎలిమెంట్స్ రావాలి. అంటే ఏమవుతాయి? 8 ఎలిమెంట్స్ అంటే మనకు 8 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా? సో 8 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? ఈవెన్ 4 ఈవెంట్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో ఇవన్నీ ఈవెంట్స్ అవుతాయి. ఆల్ దిస్ విల్ బి ఈవెన్ సిగ్నల్స్, ఆల్ దిస్ విల్ బి ఆడ్ సిగ్నల్స్. ఓకే, సో ఆడ్ సిగ్నల్స్ ఏమవ్వాలి మనకు? ట్విడిల్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ తో మల్టిప్లై అవ్వాలి. సో ఇన్ని ఉన్నాయి ఆడ్, 4 ఆడ్ సిగ్నల్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి W80, W81, W82, W83. So it should multiply with this sequence W80, W81, W82, W83. అర్థమైందమ్మా? I am trying to explain simple way. Okay, please understand. Once multiply చేసిన తర్వాత మనకు వచ్చే అవుట్పుట్స్ ఉంటాయి చూసారా, అది DFT. That is the DFT of the given sequence. ఇప్పుడు మనకు 8 ఉన్నాయి. సో ఫస్ట్ ఏం చేయాలి? ఫస్ట్ ఇందాక ఏం చేసాం మనం ఇక్కడ? సో యు సీ హియర్ ఏం చేసామా ఇక్కడ? ఫస్ట్ ఈవెన్ వచ్చి ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ కనెక్ట్ చేసాం, సెకండ్ ఈవెన్ వచ్చి సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ కనెక్ట్ చేసాం. అదే విధంగా 8 ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు 1 2 3 4 ఈవెన్ ఆడ్. సో ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మనం? ఫస్ట్ ఈవెన్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి, ఇది ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్. సెకండ్ ఈవెన్ ఎలిమెంట్ సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి. థర్డ్ ఈవెన్ ఎలిమెంట్ థర్డ్ ఆర్డర్ కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఫోర్త్ ఈవెన్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఫోర్త్ ఆర్డర్ కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేమా? అదేవిధంగా ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఫస్ట్ ఈవెన్ కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి, సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ ఎలిమెంట్ సెకండ్ ఈవెన్ కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి, థర్డ్ ఆర్డర్ ఎలిమెంట్ థర్డ్ ఈవెన్ కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి, ఫోర్త్ ఆర్డర్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఫోర్త్ ఈవెన్ కనెక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఈ విధంగా మనం మ్యాపింగ్ వస్తున్నాం. ఓకే, సో ఐ హోప్ ఇట్స్ క్లియర్. ఇక్కడ 2 డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడగండి మా, వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఇది. ఇది క్లియర్ అయిందా మీకు ఎలా కనెక్ట్ చేయాలో బటర్ఫ్లైస్? మా కైండ్లీ రెస్పాండ్. క్లియర్ అయిందా? ఇది క్లియర్?
Yes sir.
All of you, it's clear how to connect the butterflies?
Yes sir.
Okay. So మనం ఏం చేయాలి? ఇప్పుడు ఈ బటర్ఫ్లై ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ చేయాలి. సో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు డిలీట్ దిస్ వన్. So we need some extension. So these are the points. Okay, so till extend these points some instant. So these are the points we have. So we have 4 even sequence, 4 odd sequence. So these are the odd sequence. So odd sequence multiply with W8 of 0, W8 of 1, W8 of 2 and W8 of 3. We know these values. And also odd sequence should multiply with -1. Okay, if you draw like this you can easily finish it off. Odd 6 multiply with -1 and even sequence should multiply with +1. The multiplication factor is +1. Now you interconnect these lines. Okay, and these are the points. Okay, these are the points. So you just first even should connect with the first odd like this, and second even should connect with the second odd. And third even should connect with the third odd like this, and fourth even should connect with the fourth odd. Okay, similarly first odd will connect with the first even, and second odd will connect with the second even. Okay, and third odd will connect with the third even, and fourth odd will connect with the fourth even. Okay, so these are the points will give the final DFT. Okay, these are the points will give the final DFT. We know these points. All the points will come and sit here. Manaki values tells ga. I am writing these values. 10. No need to write. You know the values, right? 10 -3 -j 0 -3 + j again 10 1 -3j 0 -1 + 3j. Okay, Now you found the values.
సార్ మళ్ళీ తప్పు రాశారు సార్. లాస్ట్ నుంచి థర్డ్ లైన్ లో -1 -3 చేశారు.
అది ఆ వాల్యూస్ పాస్ అయిపోయాయి మనకి. ఈ వాల్యూస్ మనకు వచ్చాయి కదా సెకండ్ స్టేజ్ వాల్యూస్, అవి థర్డ్ స్టేజ్ కి ఇన్పుట్ గా వచ్చేసాయి సేమ్ వాల్యూస్.
ఓకే సార్, అయ్యే వచ్చాయి, కానీ లాస్ట్ నుంచి థర్డ్ లైన్ లో రిజల్ట్ తప్పు రాశారు సార్. -1 -3 చేశారు.
-1 -3 okay amma, thank you. You see now here we want to find this value. 10 into 1, 10 multiply with 1, and connecting point here is first odd line, so it will go and connect like this, so what is the point here? 10 multiply with W8 of 0, 10 multiply with W8 of 0, we know the value 10 plus 10 is equal to 20, so the answer is 20 here. Okay, and next one we want this point, so how we going to get this point? You see, -3 minus j multiply with 1, -3 minus j multiply with 1, and the connecting point is like this. Connecting point is second odd sequence. -1 minus j, okay, just I mean plus -1 minus 3j multiplying with W81. Okay, just to write like this, later we will simplify. W81. And next point, 0 into 1, we have 0, and the connecting point here is again 0 into W8 square, W82, so we have 0, so answer is 0. This is the 0. And next connecting point, -3 plus j, okay, multiply with 1, we have -3 plus j, and the connecting sequence is this one, -1 plus 3j, I am writing +1, -1 plus 3j multiplying with W8 of 3. Okay, we know these values, we will do it later. And similarly for our sequence, you see 10 will come, 10 from here will come and sit here, so we have 10, and the connecting point here is 10 multiply with, this is the connecting point, 10 multiply with W8 of 0 means 1, 10 ones are 10, again multiply with -1, so 10 minus 10, so answer is 0. Now you see this point, -3 minus j will come and sit here, -3 minus j will occupy this position, -3 minus j will come and occupy this position, and now you see here we have -1 minus 3j multiply with W81. Okay, just I am writing minus. Why I am writing minus means already we have multiplied with minus, so -3 minus -1 minus 3j multiply with W81. Okay, this is the answer. -3 minus j minus of -1 minus 3j into W81. You see this one now, 0 will come and sit here, again we have 0, so 0 minus 0, anything is 0. And you see this point, -3 plus j will come and sit here, -3 plus j will come and sit here. Okay, again this is the plus, we have minus here, -1 plus 3j multiply with W8 of 3. Now if you simplify these terms, we will have the value. Okay, so first we will simplify the first one. So this is the 20, we know, and the value of W81 gives this equal to -3 minus j plus -1 minus 3j into 0.707 minus j 0.707. W81 value, we already arrived this value, and this is 0. Okay, this value is 0, and here -3 plus j plus -1 plus 3j multiply with W8 of 3. We know the value, -0.707 minus j 0.707. Okay, so this is the value of this one. Similarly 0, and here minus 3 minus j minus of minus 1 minus 3j multiply with W8 of 1, 0.707 minus j 0.707. Okay, and here 0. And here it is 0. And here in this case, minus 3 plus j minus of minus 1 plus 3j multiply with minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. So these are the values. So if you simplify this one, so we'll have the answer as, so I'm just stating the simplification answer. So 20, and here we have minus 5.828 minus j 2.414. Here we have 0, and here we have minus 0.172 minus j 0.414, and here we have 0, and here we have minus 0.712 plus j 0.414. Here we have 0, and here we have minus 5.828 plus j 2.414 plus j 2.414. So this is the output sequence of the response. Okay, now we arrived at the sequence: x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7. So till now you have any doubts here? Any calculation or framing of butterfly? You have any doubts?
Sir, last value chepira.
Last line. Here maidena? Ee cheppantara? Imma stage 3 cheppantara?
అర్థమైంది సార్.
Ma, any doubts ma here? If you have any doubts, kindly ask me. Any doubts in this butterfly? So now the answer sequence is, now you can directly write the answer, x of k. If you don't have any doubts, x of k, 20 minus 5.828 minus j 2.414, 0 minus 0.172 minus j 0.414, 0 minus 0.172 plus j 0.414, 0 minus 5.828 plus j 2.414. Okay, so this is the DFT of the given sequence. So we found within the 3 stages. Okay, this is the diagram. Okay ma, so generally malli osa cheptanu, please listen. Ippude మీ doubts ఉంటే still clarify అయిపోతాయి.
సార్ సార్ మీరు నిన్న చెప్పేటప్పుడు 842 అలా తీసుకోవాలన్నారు కదా సార్.
అవును, అది జనరలైజ్ సీక్వెన్స్. డిఐటి ఆపోజిట్ తీసుకుంటుంది.
ఐడిఎఫ్టి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటే అప్పుడు అలా చేయాలి సార్.
అప్పుడు జనరలైజ్ వస్తుంది. అది జనరలైజ్ సీక్వెన్స్ తీసుకుంటుంది.
ఓకే సార్.
ఇక్కడ నేను రాశాను కదా ఇక్కడ 8422 n equal to 8 అయితే డిఐటి ఏంటంటే ఆపోజిట్ సీక్వెన్స్ వెళ్తుంది. స్మాల్ దెన్ 2 power 2 దెన్ 2 power 3. ఓకే అమ్మా, అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో వెళ్తుంది. డిఐఎఫ్కి డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా?
ఎస్ సార్.
We see here ma, generally I am saying we have x of n. Any points ఉంటాయి మనకు? 8 points ఉంటాయి ma. 1 2 3 4 4 3 2 1. Okay, so just note the 8 points. Note the 8 points. Okay, now this is n equal to 8. N equal to 8 and m logarithm of n base 2, which is nothing but 3. So 3 stages ఉంటాయి. So each stage 1 2 3 4. Just you note with the help of point. Stage 1, that is this stage 2. Okay, stage 3. You can follow simple procedure also. If you are feeling this one is too much too much computation to find out this. Where is the diagram? Block diagram. If you are feeling this too much computation, no need to follow this one. You can follow this thing. Now you just frame these two lines. So this is the one page, okay, and this is the another page. This is the another page, because 4 elements is segmented into 4 2 blocks. Sorry. Yes, 4 2 blocks. Each block will have the 2 elements. Okay. So you know this should multiply with the W8 of 0. W8 of 0. W8 of 0. W8 of 0. Okay, this should multiply like this. And here, if you want to find this value from here, you have to multiply with -1. So that always you remember those things. Okay, no need right here. And next one, next sequence is, this is stage 1, and this is stage 2, and this is stage 3. So stage 2 will have 4 elements, 2 even and 2 odd. So you just want to add the even with odd elements, like this. Okay, so this is the points. And second stage 2, second block, even with the odd. You just combine even with the odd, like this. So here, what are the weighting factors will influence here? First one is W80 and W82. W80, W82. Always remember that odd values should be found by multiplying with -1. Okay, these are the odd values. These are the odd values. It should be found by multiplying with -1. So these are the odd values. Okay, which are represented by using red circle. These are the odd values. And next one is simple, last stage. So first even is connected with the first odd, second even is connected with the second odd, third even is connected with the third odd, and fourth even is connected with the fourth odd. Like that, first odd connected with the first even, second odd connected with the second even, third odd connected with the third even, and fourth odd connected with the fourth even. So here, what are the twiddle factors? This factor is W80, W81, W82, W83. So if you sum up these products, so we'll have the DFT. So this will give the DFT. This is the generalized butterfly structure, stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3. You know these inputs. Okay, you just pass these inputs. Okay, 1, 4, 3, 2, and 2, 3, 4, 1. Just pass the inputs and count these values. Very simple. Calculations now you can do here. Stage 2 calculations, stage 2 calculations, and stage 3 calculations, and just place the values here if you are feeling the difficulty. So this is the simple procedure for DIT algorithm. This shows that DIT, decimation in time fast Fourier transform, or radix to DIT algorithm. Okay, ma'am. So any doubts until this one?
Sir, అదే 16 ఉంటే మారిపోయింది సార్, n = 16 అయితే.
యాక్చువల్లీ n = 16 మీ అటానమస్ కి లేదు మా, జెయింట్ కాకినాడకి అయితే ఉంది. సో అది ఎలా చేస్తారంటే n = 16 అనుకోండి, 8 2 బ్లాక్స్ వస్తాయి మా, ఈ విధంగా 8 2 బ్లాక్స్ వస్తాయి. సో డిఎస్పి రమేష్ బాబు చూసారంటే మీరు n = 16 మీద ఎక్కువ ఉంటాయి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఇక్కడ 8 2 బ్లాక్స్ వస్తాయి. అగైన్ we'll have 4 blocks. 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again we have 2 8 blocks. 2 8 blocks. And finally we have 1 16 block. It awesome. Okay na?
ఎస్ సార్.
అర్థమైందమ్మా మీకు? ఇలా 4 4 4 4 8 8 జేఎన్టీ కాకినాడకి అయితే ఉంది, కానీ మన అటానమస్ కి ఇది లేదులేమ్మా, 16 లేదు.
సార్ సెకండ్ టర్మ్ దాంట్లో ఓమేగా అది W0 W1 W2 చేయాలా సార్?
అవునమ్మా, W2 తీసుకోవాలి, W80 తీసుకొని W82 తీసుకోవాలి. వై వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ 2 అంటే రాడిక్స్ 2 మా, రాడిక్స్ 2 మనం రాడిక్స్ 2 వేసి చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి W2 తీసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ సెకండ్ స్టేజ్లో ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసరికి W80 వస్తుందా వెయిటింగ్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఆర్ సీక్వెన్సెస్ కి. ఇక్కడ 2 ఆర్స్ ఉంటాయమ్మా, 4 కి 2 ఆర్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, 2 ఈవెన్ 2 ఆర్. సో దానికి ఏం చేస్తామంటే W80 W82 వస్తుంది. అదే 8కి వచ్చేసరికి చూడండి 4 ఈవెన్ 4 ఆడ్ ఉంటాయి, 4 ఈవెన్ 4 ఆడ్, అంతే కదమ్మా. దీనికి W80 W82 W84 W86 ఇది మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ అవుతాయి.
ఓకే సార్.
ఒక లాస్ట్ స్టేజ్ 16 మనకు 8 ఈవెన్ 8 ఆడ్ ఉంటాయి, 8 ఈవెన్ 8 ఆడ్. సో W80 W81 W82 W83 W84 W85 W86 W87 ఇది ట్విడల్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్. సో ఇంటర్మీడియట్ స్టేజ్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ వచ్చేసరికి WN రాడిక్స్ వాల్యూ, దట్ రాడిక్స్ 2 అది చూసుకోవాలి.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకేనమ్మా?
లాస్ట్ స్టేజ్ లోనే అన్ని వాల్యూస్ తీసుకోవాలి, ముందు స్టేజెస్ లో ఈవెన్ నెంబర్స్ ఉన్న ట్విడల్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ తీసుకోవాలా సార్?
అర్థం కాలం, ఇంకోసారి అడగమ్మా ప్లీజ్.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం చేసేటప్పుడు 4 స్టేజెస్ వచ్చినాయి కదా సార్, 16 తీసుకుంటే.
అవును.
అప్పుడు లాస్ట్ స్టేజ్ 4th స్టేజ్ ఒక్క దాంట్లోనే ట్విడల్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ వాల్యూస్ అన్ని కన్సిడర్ చేయాలి, ముందు స్టేజెస్ లో ఈవెన్ ఉన్నవే కన్సిడర్ చేయాలా సార్?
అవునమ్మా, ఈవెన్ అని అది ఈవెన్ అని కాదు, రాడిక్స్ వాల్యూ అది ఈవెన్ అని కాదు, రాడిక్స్ 2 ఉంది కాబట్టి 2 తీసుకున్నాం. అదే రాడిక్స్ 4 ఉంది అనుకోండి W84 తీసుకుంటాం. ఓకేనమ్మా, అది ఈవెన్ అని కాదు, రాడిక్స్ వాల్యూ అంటే ఈవెన్ గా తీసుకోండి, మీరు అన్నది కరెక్టే, అలాగే అర్థం చేసుకోండి.
ఓకే సార్.
ఓకేనా? అంటే ఫైనల్ స్టేజ్ వచ్చేసరికి 7 ఈవెన్ 7 ఆడ్ ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి W80 నుంచి W8N/2 వరకు తీసుకుంటాం ఫైనల్ స్టేజ్కి వచ్చేసరికి. అది 32 సీక్వెన్స్ అనుకోండి, స్టిల్ వీ హ్యావ్ W80 to W816 వస్తుంది. అర్థమైందమ్మా?
ఎస్ సార్. సార్ అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ 16 దగ్గర W80 W82 W84 అవి తీసుకోవాలా సార్? అప్పుడు 32 తీసుకుంటాం కన్సిడర్ చేస్తే.
అవును అవును, అలా తీసుకోవాలి. W80 2 4 6 8 10 12
ఓకే సార్.
అలా వస్తుంది.
ఇక్కడ ఎన్ వాల్యూ 12 ఉన్నదా సార్?
ఎన్ వాల్యూ
రాదా సార్ 12 అనేది?
మా వాయిస్ క్లారిటీగా లేదు, మా క్యాపిటల్ అని మీరు చెప్పేది.
అదే క్యాపిటల్ సార్.
ఎన్ వాల్యూ షుడ్ బి ఈవెన్.
ఎనీ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్ సార్?
ఎనీ ఈవెన్ నెంబర్. ఎన్ వాల్యూ ఆర్డర్ మీకు, ఎన్ సీక్వెన్స్ షుడ్ బి ఈవెన్.
ఓకే సార్. ఓకే సార్.
సో ఎనీ డౌట్స్ మా?
సార్ ఒకవేళ ఈ ఆడ్ ఉంటే?
ఆడ్ ఇవ్వరు మా, ఆడ్ పాయింట్ సీక్వెన్స్ రాదు, క్యాపిటల్ N -1 కదా, N షుడ్ బి ఈవెన్ ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే సార్.
మీకు ఆడ్ వచ్చే సీక్వెన్స్ మీ ప్రాబ్లం ఇవ్వరు మా, ఓన్లీ ఈవెన్ సీక్వెన్సే ఇస్తారు. ఆడ్ ఉంటే అది డిఫరెంట్ కేసు, అది మీకు సిలబస్లో లేదు. సో విల్ సీ లైక్ దిస్ సో మెనీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇన్ DIT and DIF. Okay, so still you have any doubts, you can ask me at any time, but these two are very important. Okay, these two are very important problems, and if you know this concept, you will get easily 15 marks. Directly they will ask for the 15 marks question. Okay ma, so still you have any doubts, you can ask me. So we'll solve so many problems using DIT and DIF also. DIF, it follows similar procedure. DIF, it follows the similar procedure. So if you don't have any doubts, all of you fill this feedback form, attendance form. It's not a feedback form, it's attendance form. Just enter your roll number in the start box. After filling the form and entering your roll number in the start box, Babu, after filling the form, Babu, ippude kaadu. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me.